Hello and welcome back to another exciting tutorial. In today's video, we're going to look at how we can add captions to our videos using Whisper AI in under a few minutes. And yes, it's free, open source, and mind-blowingly good. Let's dive in. First things first, we're using Python, so make sure that you've got it installed. Once you have that installed, open up command prompt and let's install OpenAI Whisper. So we do pip install OpenAI-Whisper. Since I already have it installed, it's going to tell me that requirement already satisfied, so it's not going to install it again, but for your case it will install it. Next thing we want to install is we want to install ffmpeg. This is to decode audio files like mp3 or wave, so let's get that real quick. So we do pip install ffmpeg. Next we go to ffmpeg website. Alright, so once on the ffmpeg page, click on Windows and we'll select this first option that says Windows build from GYAN dev, which brings us to this page. From this page we want to download this ffmpeg git full. Once you have the downloaded file, we go to C drive and we create a new folder called ffmpeg and we copy the link to it and we open our zip file and we say extract to, and then we give this location that we copied. Click on OK. Once we have everything extracted, let's go back to our main folder. Now you can see you have the extracted information inside of ffmpeg in C drive. Now go to the bin folder, copy the location and open up environment variables, edit the environment variables and click on environment variables again. Down here system variables, find the path, click on edit, and here we want to add a new line, so we say new and we give the path here. Click on OK. OK again. And the way to verify that this worked is we go to command prompt and we will say ffmpeg dash dash version. I think it's 2 dash. So yeah, it's 1 dash, but it automatically picked up the correct option. So you see it's able to give you the version, which means that you have ffmpeg correctly installed. Let's close this. Let's go back to VS Code. Alright, so I have a small file already created. So let's import Whisper. Let's see if it's able to import it successfully. Alright, let's load the model. Do that, run cell. It seems like you have loaded the model successfully as well. Now let's add the line that actually does the heavy lifting. So we say model.transcribe and here we give the location to our audio file, which is wave file, and we save the result in the result variable. So let's click on run cell. This gives you some warning, but hopefully that should be okay. And finally we will print the result. So let's see what comes up. Let's run this cell and you see that you have some information here, but we need this information as a timestamp. So let's see if we can do that. Alright, so I've rearranged the code a bit. So I've imported getWriter from whisper.utils and I've separated input file into its own variable. And the new thing that is being added is I'm adding srt writer. So I say getWriter and then I define srt and then I give output directory, which is same location as the code is, and then it writes the output. So let's run the code and see whether this works. It's gonna take some time. Right, so this audio is around 2 minutes and this code is taking around 50 seconds, so 51 seconds for 2 minutes. Not bad. And it has written the srt file as well, and it will be in the same directory as our code is. So it's on desktop, so it has written srt file in the same name as the file name, which is audio 1.01, as you can see here. If we open up this file, you can see the notepad with the timestamps and the captions generated. Now you can simply edit your captions here and then upload within your YouTube video or use elsewhere if you need. And that's it. Whisper does the rest. It detects the language, handles noises, and gives you clean, accurate text. You can even use it on podcasts, interviews, meetings, anything. Whisper works offline too, so no internet, no problem. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more automation tricks. and drop a comment if you want a full video on Bash transcription or language translation with Whisper. Catch you in the next one. This is Data Corner signing off.